Good morning and welcome to a coffee vlog. Today we're going to make an iced latte with apple pie syrup and a chai cream topping. And this might be slightly different to what you're used to. It's a drink that I had when I was in the USA earlier this year. I'll show you now. Here we go. This is what it looks like. So you can see apple pie syrup at the bottom. We've got the coffee shop drizzling down through the whole milk, and then we've got a double cream topping there. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with it and see how to put it together. Okay, so we're going to go straight into your kit list rundown. Of course, you're going to need your coffee machine and group handle. This one that I'm using here is a Breville Barista Max. It's about 4 years old. Been around the houses. It's produced lots and lots of coffee. You need your coffee beans. I've got a hopper there full. Okay. Household scales and group handle. Really important to produce the right amount of coffee. You're going to need whole milk or oat milk or almond milk or whichever milk you prefer. I'm going to put a top on this one. So this time I'm going to use double cream. You're going to need your glass to put your product in. You're going to need chai, and of course the all important apple pie syrup. This time, because we're going to do a cold foam on top, you're going to need the little whipper there, just to make that nice thick cold foam with the chai in it on the top of the iced latte. I'm looking for a double shot espresso, so what I need is 14 grams of coffee ground. So first of all, I'm going to put my group handle on the scales. I'm going to zero that down, and then when I've ground the coffee I can weigh it and make sure that I've actually got 14 grams. Give that a try, and exactly 14 grams, so I'm going to just pick you up and show you. There we go. I'll make sure. There we go, 14 grams, spot on. Excellent. So 3-step, level, and then we tamp, a good push down and twist, and then wipe on the excess off the top. Right, now our coffee shop is ready to go. Espresso cup, and let's run the shop. Okay, let's have a look, see what we've got. There we go. Beautiful espresso. Perfect. So we should have 30 ml of liquid in there, and it should have taken around about 20 seconds. That's from 14 grams of coffee. That gives it that beautiful crema on top of that espresso there. And now for the coffee whip. So I'm going to use a little bit of double cream. So this whip is going to go on top of the iced latte. A little bit of double cream. A little bit of milk, just so that we don't thicken the cream too much. And then we're going to pour in our chai syrup. The lid on. We'll set it off and then we'll have a look. Okay, I'll show you how it's going. You can see that cream starting to thicken up nicely now as well. And now for the fun part. So we've got some ice in our latte glass. We're going to pour some apple pie syrup. So I'm just going to drizzle this over the top of the ice. So with this type of iced latte, I'm going to put the shot in the top. So I'm going to add milk. Give myself enough space for the coffee shot and for the foam on top. I'm going to add the coffee shot. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. And now for the whip. You can see that whip there. You see that whip there is ready to rumble. Give it a shake. A bit of bang to get rid of any bubbles. There we go. Pour that on top. Perfect. And to finish it off, we're going to put the lid and the straw on a travel mug, travel cup. There we go. Perfect. One perfect iced latte with apple pie syrup and a chai cream topping. Right, so we've made our iced latte and I'm going to now go in for the taste test. Let's first give it a good stir. And give it a good stir to get all those flavours mixed up together. There we go. Oh, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. So you might not think that chai and apple go together, but actually they go together really well. And that double cream in the cream whip on the top, or the cream foam on the top, it just adds that layer of luxury to this drink. That's amazing. Why don't you give it a try for yourself? So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope that you go ahead and have a go at making your own iced latte. Let me know if you do. Let me know if you find out something different or something new. Let me know if there's a new ingredient that you use. Let me know what it's like with oat milk. Yeah, so basically like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.